your girl Chic now, and today we're back with another mukbang. Today we got some Brussels sprout, we got some steak, we got some rice, some broccoli, and to drink we got some Sprite on the rocks. Yes, I say on the rocks. And without any further ado, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and click that bell so you'll be notified every time your girl posts a video. And without any further ado,
now let's get grubbing.
Yo, I'm not even gonna tell y'all. Hold on, I have to get a thumbnail. Hold on, because I'm not gonna tell y'all what just happened. Y'all, I'm sorry. I'm not cheap. Yo, I was recording and having a whole conversation with y'all, and my phone wasn't recording. My phone was not recording the whole entire time. I done ate half of my food, everything, but that was God. God ain't want me to jack y'all because I was talking about these trolls that be under myself trolling. So I'm just gonna change the topic. Steak, rice, broccoli, Brussels sprouts, Sprite to drink. Boom. And I had a good burp, y'all. Don't get it. Yo, subscribe to my channel. Wow. I can't believe that happened. My phone keeps like I don't have no storage. So if anybody want to get me something as a gift, a camera or iPad would be lovely. Because I'll be having conversations and you'll be just cutting me off, hating. This is crazy. It's a long ponytail, y'all. It's a long ponytail. I had to tie it up. There. Brussels sprout. I'm gonna get a video out to y'all. I'm good. But we just gonna talk about it. Trolling. They be trolling so hard. Somebody told me, girl, you put your mouth closed and no, I liked you, but then you started smacking some dumb stuff. I'm just like, girl, no way. Nobody was watching my video with your face bored up. Then comment what you don't like. Doesn't matter. You already watched the whole video. I really don't think it matters anymore. You watched it. I'm just hungry. I eat all day. Mm-hmm. Ooh. Mm. Mm-hmm. Let me tell you how my mom was mad because I wanted Brussels sprouts. Because I wanted some Brussels sprouts. Like, huh? I never known a parent to get mad because their kid want to eat Brussels sprouts. You're supposed to encourage us to eat them, right? Like, she literally was like, on the stove, you want some of these Brussels sprouts? I'm like, yeah, I want some Brussels sprouts. She said, really, you really want some Brussels sprouts? You really want some? I'm like, yes. She like, dang, I thought I was gonna have them all to myself. Huh? I'm like, what? What do you mean you thought you was gonna have them all to yourself? Like, huh? It was really been stingy with the Brussels sprouts. Then I didn't eat right away. She left like 6 Brussels sprouts, y'all. It's horrible. Yeah, today's my mom's birthday. So shout out to the old lady. She turned 63. So you know, she turned 36. She acts like she's 63. She's like a grandma. Yes, and she's not a grandma. She's like a grandma. We had a little party, a little get together at my house for her. It was supposed to be a surprise party, y'all. Let me tell y'all how this lady would not leave out the house for nothing. She would not. My aunt called her like, come on, let's go to the mall. I'm treating and we balling. No. Didn't get out the house. No, but then she still was in the house. Like, what? Who don't want to go to the mall? For free. Do whatever you want. For free. Mama, that's all. Me, my sister, and everybody else literally had to decorate and cook around her. Once she went upstairs, she cleaned the bathroom. Went in her room. I think she took a little nap, and that's when we had to decorate, y'all. So she literally had to come down the steps to her party to get. It wasn't even a surprise no more because, like, everybody that came to the door, they're like, "Where you at? Where she go? What time she coming?" We like, "She upstairs," and they like, "Upstairs." So they go. Everybody goes upstairs like, "Hey," and she in her room laying on her bed. Never again. Never again. Try to really get that lady a surprise party, and she didn't. She didn't budge. She didn't want to go get makeup done, nothing. We told her, yeah, go get your makeup done. The photographer coming, we gonna have a photo shoot for your birthday. Still don't want to get makeup done. Like, just being a Grinch. Literally. Like, what's wrong with her? I don't understand. I'm not trying to with the chopstick. Like, I really don't understand why you wouldn't want a free party. I mean, a free that too, but why? You could have went to the mall and got anything you wanted. Won't have to tell me. See, Brussels sprouts definitely good. Want to taste it? Want to taste? He said,
no, thank you.
Look at him. You act like that, like kids on cartoons that don't eat Brussels sprouts. I am myself. Can you taste it, please? I swear it's so good. It's seasoned so good. It's not how you think. You ever ate them before? So spicy.
I like how they look.
You like little cabbage. This literally look like cabbage or lettuce. And he eat both. More for me. Yeah. I'm gonna tell y'all that. I think it's like 3 more. I might as well eat them. Whew. Yes, and I seen both of my friends yesterday, Money and Ajay, and I seen my cousins, and I had so much fun because I missed everybody. We had so much fun, even though I went to bed with a banging headache. My head so this ponytail was so tight. And it was just, everybody was all yelling, trying to talk over. It was fun, but I had a headache. And so I woke up in my ponytail like this because I did not care. But don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, and hit that bell so you'll be notified every time your girl posts a video. If you're new to the channel, subscribe, like a few videos, won't you? It helps me a lot. Yep, and we'll see y'all on the next video.